All right, guys, we're here for Power Hour. I gotta make sure my headset shit's working. Oh, how do you hear your live stream? And it pops up, not live yet. Oh. You started it? Yeah. Guess it's taking a minute. See the red link right there? If you just click on the icon, you can hear your stream. Oh, I didn't know that. Okay. Man, I gotta do that again. Man, why do I gotta continue doing that? No, that's what it usually does. It just not coming. Yeah, right there it's up. No, it's already playing. Let's see. Pretty flimsy. All right, guys, we're in the last day of the last hour of the market. Actually, let me switch over to my, man, should I trade the, actually, I'm just going to stay with Apex. Yeah, for some reason my stuff doesn't sound as loud. Oh, never mind. It was the YouTube channel. What's up, David? How are you doing this evening? Shoot, that looks... Is it a delay or something? It has to be. Look, YouTube is behind because Streamlabs is. Look there, it's still not loading. Oh well. What's up, Trader G? How are you doing today? Having a little bit of a lag on the YouTube there. Ooh, let me get a drink of water real quick. Yeah, for some reason my YouTube's not updating. I'm not really sure what's going on with that. Ooh, that was a tempting trade if we were above the 200. Oh, dude, listen to Jay in the background? Oh shoot, what was that?
we're gonna get long above the 200 here. It's a big stop loss. Well, no, about 10 points in it. It's kind of high in the leg too. We're gonna probably take this one. Let's see if we're gonna team green. We're just gonna go in with 5 micros. Let's see if pull back some first. All right, waiting on the. There we go. Nice little pullback. Oops. Oh. Uh-oh. What would be that sell? No. Ooh. If the 50 don't hold, we're probably gonna have to take an L on this one. Yeah, it's kind of what I was saying earlier about that 200 being there. We're hoping maybe we get the 50 bounce. What's up, Jay? How are you doing today? What do you think? Maybe we DCA back into the. Maybe we can DCA back into this if we get the 50 bounce. What? Oh. We'll be a little bit in the hole on this one because this is probably worth about what 150. So pretty much our profits where we made this morning on this account. Be back pretty much to break even today. Maybe like 10 bucks in the hole. I don't know if it's going to run this wick right here. Oh, no. It's going to stop us out. Took our profits from this morning. So if I put this at the 30, that would put us in a negative 40 bucks or $38. Man, this thing's curling all the way around. I knew I shouldn't have taken that because of that 200 there. What's the ES doing? I don't know how much farther it can go. Looks like we're just going to be in the hole 30 bucks on this account for the day so far, unless we pick up something else. Whoa. What are we, $13 in the hole. So we just pretty much lost the profits that we made this morning. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. So we pretty much lost our profits on that account there. So it put us negative 13 bucks. That's pretty much back where we started at this morning when we started. Oh, this thing just came down to stopping out and wick back up. Oh, that's so dirty, man. Look at that. Oh, might have just had my stop loss just a little bit farther down, man. Just a little bit. Could have probably DCA it as is. Pretty soon, Trader G, I'm going to be telling everybody that the market makers are following me. The market makers are after me. They call it Nutty today. Yeah, I think a Methodical Man said Nutty lost quite a bit on his account today. Hopefully we get some pretty good action for Power Hour, man. I hope it's just not chopping around for the next 45 minutes. Oh, he went back to copy trading? Oh. Yeah, when you're on Nutty's level, you have to pretty much do your payouts on percentage on how many accounts he's buying compared to how many he gets to pay out. Dude, look at the ES. Like, that's very true. Well, that's what I was talking about, AJ. It's kind of percentage game. How many payouts can you get per how many accounts you blow? So even if he got just one payout for like every, say, 5 or 6 accounts, it'd be almost like, what, 10 accounts? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, it's a percentage game. The amount of evals / funded accounts you're buying. I mean, it's pretty much a prop firm percentage type thing. You know, if you're willing to put that much money on the table. Yeah, Patrick doesn't really talk about his that often though. Or he doesn't say how much he spent a lot of times. Yeah, I listened to him this morning, but I wasn't sure how much what he lost. Okay, so he's blown over 300. Okay. Now is that just with Apex or? Because he was with Top Step for a long time. He shows a sunken boat on his Twitter feed. Did his boat sink? No. No. He just has a boat on there that sunk. And his price actions. What did we do? We tried the long while ago, didn't we? Yeah, Trader G, this has been a really tough trading day. To me, it's been a trading tough month. I feel like anytime we have rollover, we always have a tough month in rollover. Because everybody's split between September's well, not just this month, but you know, September's contracts and December contracts. Man, I hope we get some better price action than this after at least, what, 330? So this is pretty much typical price action whenever your 9 and 21 are flat. I accidentally started a new chart and freaking messed all my Mazzini levels up. Man, look at that 50 bounce. I wouldn't have taken it because we've already hit it multiple times. Oh yeah, this is horrible price action to watch, man. Especially if you get the FOMO or you take that one bad trade and you feel like you're trying to get it back. Dude. Oh, it's just got the tater rubbed. What? We go to some Buc-ee's. I went to Buc-ee's yesterday. I stopped by the Buc-ee's in Birmingham, Alabama. I don't know if that's any close to where you live, Ponzi. Thank you. Maybe we're going to pull back to clean up this gap. Wouldn't this be a nice short setup? Or possibly. No, I see no eagle high. Oh. This is pretty much the same area that we struggled to get out of this morning. Whew. I don't know. I don't really buy into the long until we're either above the 200. Got everything crossing back over this 50 EMA. What? Oh, you're okay. No, definitely no. One line at a time. I just like to mark out the lows and highs in case I forget about them. This way you have a target. What's that? Oh, you meant this one right here? Oh, on the lower time frame. No. Oh, man. I don't know how you would even want to trade on your funded today. Today's been a rough price action to trade funded on. Yeah, you definitely got to work hard at this not to get the FOMO to jump in.
Play, papi.
Oh, goodness. Is that Johnson's? Oh, that's yours. Trader G, how'd you do on your evals today? Were you green still very little on your evals today, or did you take some risky trades later on? Isn't traffic gonna suck there? No.
You literally take 29, get on 85, and you get off right there. No traffic.
Dude. 5 o'clock on Friday? You're crazy, man.
You literally get off the interstate and you're right there at it. There's no traffic going towards it, you know? It's 5 on Friday. You're going away from it.
All right, so we're just pretty much just chopping around again. So what are we? We're already after the 3:30.
Hello?
You did a photo bomb there. Yeah, I got Methodical Man. He's the one that failed that last trade. He clicked the mouse for me.
He's in my lap, everyone.
Oh goodness.
Tell Trader G to get on the funded account. Come on.
he's being. Nobody needs to be on funded accounts right now. Run your weekend. Then you got to wait till Monday, just the revenge trade.
But now we're generating on this 10 line liquidity here.
Nice little trend line, huh?
That's what I think, Garrett. It does go down to up. Or up.
Oh.
Down to up. Going up.
Methodical Man gave his going up guarantee, so we'll have to see.
It's what the previous day was. It helped you go down there to sleep. You didn't?
Sideways is the option.
Point to the right.
That's kind of what it feels like.
You going short, Coach Cleats? All right.
No, he said if you're going long, he's going short.
Perfect. One of them's a win.
Fade him. Yeah, you didn't see him sticking his head in the camera a while ago? That says wandering hands. Oh yeah, he had his head halfway stuck over here a few minutes ago. Yeah, he's sitting to the right of me. Is he hiding?
I am here, everyone. Hello.
Man, we're so flat right now. There's just not anything to do.
Jay hasn't taken very many trades today. You don't have PPAs left. Hashtag DCA game.
You can listen to the tape, isn't it?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh.
You got the sure headphones too.
Yeah. Nice and clear.
I hear you too, though.
Oh, yeah. Sometimes I listen to myself, make sure my stuff's working correctly.
Oh, shit, he's loud.
Mine's loud?
Okay.
Oh, Jay's loud. Oh. I can turn Jay down. I might have turned it up too loud. Yeah, Eric, this is very tough to trade, man. This is why we're just kind of sitting here just spacing off. It's gonna blast off unexpectedly one way or the other. To me, I always find these the worst is when you sit here and watch it consolidate for like 45 minutes, then it like shoots off and you don't have like no time to grab it. Might have to Patrick Willis this one just to draw you a trend line and get in on the trend line break. Yep. Yeah. $200. You can learn this. Break the trend line break in the 15-minute opening range. For 225, we will throw in the 1 hour IBL break or the IBH break. Poachers. What the heck does that mean?
I'm going to put my code in this chat. Number one code.
Yeah, number one code in the suburbs or something. All right, so maybe we can retest, clear this gap out a little bit because it never did hit the bottom of this gap here.
Once the EF, if it bounces off 88, I'm going to go long. As long as we stay above 88, I think we go up. Eric thinks it's going to test below. Yeah, mine. We'll be aggressive with this E down here. We'll go long off this level.
Going along. Where's the low? All the way down at the 170s for this. Yeah. Well, I mean, if it follows this pattern, you know, we did not quite broke the low, but then we made a high. So I don't know if we're going to pull back just a little bit to break this high again. Or it could be this setup where it trend line down, then broke down.
Minutes away from the.
What do we got? Yeah, 7 minutes to the death candle here. Need that murder bot to give us something.
I think we're ripping. I think we're gonna rip. Jason's going down. Tagged into a long at 270, 218. Just on him now.
What are you doing behind the bottom of this gap here?
Yeah. Yes, just like below to the previous one. No, you don't get this. No, I mean, that's okay.
Yeah, I know.
Or it could be wrong, and this might pop before the murder bot and then
Let's see if the trend's going to hold up here. So we should still be holding the 50 here. Yep, it's Friday, man. Prepare for the weekend. Hopefully you don't have too many bad accounts that you got to think about all weekend. At least don't mess up accounts on Friday. That's usually always my goal if I can help it. I don't have to spend all weekend thinking about the accounts I blew.
I think he's short. Is he short? You can see scroll up a little bit. He's short.
Gotta tell Jay to use the best prop firm code
short
in the market, MM.
He is short. Less than 5 minutes till the good times. Look, we're gonna go. We're gonna go 76 ticks. 4 minutes.
Oh, that's either all in blow your account.
You don't have a ton of drawdown on this one, so you got 24,100.
What are the higher time frames? Oh, you're looking at the higher time frames, dude. It's like the 15 minute. I mean, looks super bearish. 15 minutes crossing over the 200. So this 80 is probably the highest that we can pull.
Bearish to me though, it's still holding my camper. And in fact, can't tell if that inverse that or not. Pretty tight wedge. It really can go either way. Oh, I'm tagged in. We're currently low. We're low. Over here. I think you may have to plug it in. You keep adding on this account. You keep dropping.
Right now, the 15 minutes getting held up by a fair value gap at the 13s or 16s. So
40 ticks. I'm gonna go 5 minutes once we get close to the motor bot.
All right, we're breaking out of that.
Yeah. $100 I think. 3 minutes. He thinks the bears are going to eat?
Yeah, Ponzi's a bear guy. He loves the shorts.
No, he said he's long. LADB.
Oh, I'm not sure what he's long on because I know he doesn't trade the futures. He's probably long or something on Tesla, or I forgot the other one he likes to watch.
I'm going to go ahead and get long here 1 minute. Close enough to the candle here that I think we don't push during the that handle, then we'll push the last minute of the day, but we may not have enough on this account to matter. We'll see.
Well, we definitely could get a possible pushback up to the 30s. I mean, it's right on top of that trend here.
So what I'll do is here we're going to place the limits.
The 15 minutes just ran that fair value gap there below the 16s, but it's still struggling to push through.
1 minute. This one will go.
You said 1 minute before death candle.
Well, it's not going to be a death candle. It's going to be a boner candle.
Boner candle. Or could we run it? If we go down, we're probably going down to what, the 90s?
We're going to the 262. That's the methodical guarantee.
Well, if that 15-minute holds.
We're going to 263. It might whip, but should go.
Only thing that worries me is this here in our
that stuff doesn't even matter when you
late at night or late in the evening.
Yeah, that's not gonna hold it very much. Let's see here.
What do we got? Less than 20 seconds. Yeah. Do we put an order in pre-market?
I'm already in. I'm already long.
All right, let's see. Put my hand on the close button just in case it wakes me in and goes back down.
That's pretty mild.
That's a mild one.
Man, that's horrible. Alright, we gotta get above the 30 here. Get above the 30, we should go. Oh, I'm tagged in on the other ones on the other 5. So we're in over here on 5 minis.
We'll wait for the trend line break. You could have almost took you another 50 test. Look, the 50 test was spot on.
It's gonna run this. Gotta get above 30, we go. We expand above 30. Come on.
Should pull back to the 20s, then go.
There's the trend line. Should break through the trend line this time. Well.
Oh, come on, trend line. We got the. We try to get something on the break of the trend line here.
Gotta go now. This next candle needs to be it. Don't want to stall here. It's gotta get through there. Run right into the 40 real fast. Tagged in on the other accounts too. Run to the 40.
Come on, Junior.
I'm up $800. Should I take it? Up 1,000? Should I take it? Come on.
All right. Hopefully,
Piece of shit.
hopefully we at least get that 200 touch. It's kind of what I'm looking for.
All right, I'm only in 2 minis now. Go ahead and take some of this off. Stop's going to go to break even.
All right. We just went to break even,
Don't
so
ever doubt the methodical guarantee. Don't ever doubt the methodical guarantee.
looks like it's gonna come back and break even.
I was going to retest that trend line.
All right, so let's see what happens on the trend line.
Go down here somewhere.
Oh, shoot.
I don't know if I tried to put the stop in on the other one. Alright, that stops in, so we can't lose. Oh, we can lose, but didn't get stopped on this one yet, so we're good. Just only in 1 on this one. I think 63 is the end of day target. And we're only in 1 on this one still. We're up, this will not count.
Ooh, we're getting too close to that last minute. It kind of has me worried.
We're up $1,000 on this account. Stopped out break even. Up 964.
Ooh, I'm too close to the death candle, guys. We got less than 1 minute. So either I need to get to...
You're good. You're good.
You think so?
Yeah.
I don't know. The death candle likes to wick.
It does. You want to see it start pushing before, though.
Yeah. If we don't start pushing before, we'll either kill the trade or go to break even fairly quick. So we got 40 seconds still.
Looks good to me. This candle's green, so I think we should continue higher. I'm going to protect myself a little bit here. I'll leave it here. Now here we go.
All right. Come on, let's get the 410.
Yeah, I was almost there. My TP's at 242.
I've already got 5. Okay, we got the full 10. Woof.
Now I'm going to break even. And we'll see if we get to run straight into the 63 at the 55.
All right, we still got a 2-point runner.
Push right into the 63. Right into the 63. Let's go. Take it, kick out.
Jay sounds heated over there. All right, we're going to leave that here and just see if we can get that runner here.
63 should hit by the end of the day.
So it looks like we got a, what, 120 off of that trade. So it pretty much got us back to where we were. Remember, we lost our profit on that last trade. Then we pretty much just back where we started when we started the power hour. I'm gonna play the EMAs over here, so I'm gonna risk a little bit just because we're on just 2 micros left.
So we're up 1,000 on this account, so we're gonna be aggressive at the end of the day. I'm gonna go. Got my mouse again. 20 ticks. Never use a big time. I'm gonna go like a couple sets of 2.
Nice. Did you already take your profit, Trader G, or are you still holding your long?
There's a bunch of stop orders. That's why I knew that it would run that. It didn't run the whole thing, but price action is pretty.
I come back to collecting aluminum cans. Oh.
Hey, Hey, can you run over there and get my charger? Is it, no, it's in my bag. Just in my bag. Should be just one stop.
Usually about that 58 minute, usually we get a little action here. So I'm hoping that that 58, 59 will give us a little volatility. We will risk 20 bucks here. I just want to see if the trend line is going to hold. There's the retest of the trend line.
Double bottom there.
Yeah, maybe next week will be a little better week. First of the month.
I'm gonna wait. I think we retraced to 28 again.
We got one more minute before the.
We pull back and retrace 28 one more time, but we're not.
Either that or we'll get that really big move like at the end of the day at the 4 o'clock hour.
I don't know if we'll get a big move today.
No.
I feel like we should have went already because we're going to try to get that move. I want to see it pull back, sweep to 28 one more time right here for the final minute. If we don't get it, I'm going to go ahead and take the long, but I would like for it to sweep 28 feel better.
Sweep what?
Pull back and sweep to 28.
Oh.
Below there.
Oh.
Sweep that and then we can rocket ship up. Now.
Oh. Come on, trend line, hold. Nope, it's going down. All right. Oh, we're in the last minute, so I don't know if I'll do another trade in the last minute.
It'll turn green on my ad again. Last 30 seconds. Shit. Come on. Over 5 years, not winning. Come on.
Whew.
Holding green. Now it added it. You see how weak that was? Like a 20-second delay.
What happened? Oh. What was he long on that one? Mm-hmm. Got another big fair value gap back over here to the.
Are you done?
I don't know. Usually a lot of times I'll stay on here a few more minutes or just watching. I usually don't like taking trades after 4 because a lot of times it's so slow that it's tough.
Well, your ES chart. Yeah, I think I'm gonna add here. I'm full port 7 minis right now long.
That's insane, dude. I mean, you may get a trend line retest or.
Like the ES bounced off the 88 there. We blow it. I don't get scared. Next week just low and then go up. Close below this gap and it's probably going down.
Oh, this gap here. Yeah, you need that gap to hold.
This week just low and bounce.
No, we didn't pass another eval today. I wish I did just because Monday's the last day for Apex's $85 lifetime fee. I missed it by, let me see. We missed it by like almost $600 on this one and right at $7 on this one. So unfortunately, unless we get it Monday, but I don't know if we will.
It will clear that area. All right, we're out. It will clear that area up. It's probably going to wait to do it.
Oh no, I'm sorry. I did not. Yeah, I did not pass another eval today. I wish I did, but I didn't want to go over leverage and lose all of my profit that I have made over the last couple weeks. Because I haven't been like aggressive. I mean, I do take some aggressive eval trades, but not to the point where, you know, I've been trying to hold on to these a little longer. But nice on passing a couple more evals there, Future Millionaire. You still long on that one? Oh, I was like, dang. I mean, we just lost all our volume. That's the only thing that sucks about taking trades, you know, after the 4 o'clock time. What's the Apex cutoff time for trades?
5.
4:05?
5.
Oh, they let you trade all the way till 5? Mm-hmm. I didn't know that. Mm-hmm. I don't know. You think we run these lows back down to 187s?
I don't think so. I think we're about to bounce.
The 80. Oh, we're back at that 88 again, huh?
A little long to 200, I think.
Well,
look for like a scalper reading here. A little long to 200. And,
there it is too. Should have been long at the 200.
Let's look for the pullback. And I should have.
Woo, 7 minis. Holy crap, Future. How big of a is that? A 50K for 7 minis? That's up there. If I do that kind of stuff, I'd probably blow up my accounts if I over leverage that much. Because you don't get very much if you go in with 7 minis with 50K, do you? Oh, 7 minutes. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I thought you said it. It took 7 minutes to pass. Okay. Oh, 10 NQ. That's still, whew. That's still quite a few. What size account is that? Like the 150K? Okay. Is that who offers the 10 minis? That's not 50K. That's 150. Oh, it is? I didn't know that. I thought I guess that's Bulenox. That's 7. For some reason I was thinking Apex had the 7 minis. I guess I didn't realize that. Or yeah, Bulenox is with 7. I didn't realize that Apex you could go in 10. Okay. Yeah, I almost wish I had done something similar to that today so I could maybe capitalize on that $85 lifetime fee Apex has, because that's a really good deal to be in all $100 on an Apex. So Nice on the 2200 bounce. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and we will be back Monday morning. So we will be in this setting for all of next week. We're at my sister's residence, and even though I'm probably not staying here, but we'll be coming over here to stream because out at my mother's house, she lives a little farther out in the countryside, not in the city limits, and their internet speed's horrible, so I have to come over here and stream. So thanks, Trader G. Have a good week at work, and we will talk to you guys next week. Thank you guys for watching this week.
Not a high probability.